Hello guys! To make the list of these coolest tools that are on the next level, we have put in a lot of effort. So please consider subscribing to our channel to help us grow. Now let's get to the products. At first, we have the Letti Autohammer. This tool will let you experience a good shift in assembly work. It's a perfect combo of efficiency and ergonomic design. Gone are the days of manual hammering. This battery-powered tool redefines cable clamping with its effortless operation. Say farewell to fatigue-induced inefficiencies as the Letti Autohammer's intuitive functions and ergonomic design streamline your workflow. With a simple one-handed grip switch, adapting to diverse working positions becomes seamless. Plus, it illuminates your workspace with integrated work lights and achieves unparalleled precision with the built-in distance meter. But the real kicker? This tool can drive at an impressive 500 staples per charge, ensuring uninterrupted productivity like never before. Meet the King Tony 2747DR, a screwdriver that may seem like a baby toy at first glance, but packs a serious punch and functionality. Its versatile ratchet design makes light work of screw driving tasks, offering unparalleled flexibility in tight spaces. Navigate screws effortlessly from any angle with the swivel handle, while the forward-reverse mechanism enables swift transitions between tightening and loosening. Maneuver with finesse in even the narrowest of confines thanks to the 5-degree ratcheting gear, providing smooth operation. And with a 72-teeth ratchet ensuring precision and control, every task becomes a breeze. Experience a game-changing solution with the ToughBuilt GelFit Fanatic thigh support stabilization knee pads. These are not tools, but are designed to eliminate discomfort and boost productivity for all the tool users out there. Featuring a GelFit cushioning system, these knee pads offer unparalleled comfort and support. The gel and foam blend conforms to your knees, providing a personalized fit that alleviates pressure and reduces fatigue during extended work periods. With the innovative Fanatic thigh support stabilization design, enjoy enhanced stability and thigh support, ensuring the knee pads remain securely in place without slipping or requiring frequent adjustments. Crafted from durable materials, these knee pads are built to withstand the most demanding work environments, guaranteeing long-lasting performance and protection. Introducing the PREXISO P1P30 multi-torpedo laser level, an end to the frustration of traditional bubble levels and squinting to achieve straight lines. This versatile tool is your go-to solution for indoor construction projects, boasting a range of features that streamline your workflow. Equipped with a precise laser and bubble levels mechanism, it facilitates accurate horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree leveling tasks, whether you're installing cabinets, laying tiles, or hanging shelves. With a range of up to 30 meters for point leveling and 10 meters for line leveling, it's perfect for projects of any size. Noteworthy is its strong magnetic base with V-groove, allowing for hands-free operation and enabling you to work with both hands freely. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to efficiency with the PREXISO P1P30 multi-torpedo laser level. Forget about ordinary solutions. Here comes the BINYATOOLS magnetic wristband, a tool made for handymen and DIY enthusiasts alike. This isn't just any wristband, it's specifically crafted for those who frequently work with small metal parts or tools. Equipped with 9 powerful neodymium magnets, it securely holds even the tiniest tools such as pliers, cutters, and wire crimpers in place, allowing you to move and shake your hand without worrying about losing anything. The wristband's adjustable and comfortable design ensures a perfect fit for extended wear, while the thumb loop provides additional wrist support during strenuous tasks. Crafted from lightweight and breathable perforated neoprene fabric, you'll hardly notice it's there. Now you don't have to face any strap rotation and sliding with its secure fit, because your tools will stay in place without the need for constant adjustment. Experience unparalleled efficiency with the BINYATOOLS magnetic wristband. Why settle for less when you can have all your demolition needs met with one versatile tool? Introducing the VAUGHAN Rage Demolition Tool, a simple yet powerful solution packed with versatile functionalities for any handyman. Tired of hauling around multiple heavy tools? This multifunctional marvel consolidates your toolkit into one convenient device. Its cross-hatched hammer effortlessly chisels or punches holes in drywall, tile, plaster, and lath. Need to grab, bend, or tear out lumber? The wood grabber jaws have you covered. But wait, there's more! Equipped with a built-in pry bar, it's perfect for lifting boards, nail strips, molding, and more. The closed and beveled nail pullers ensure easy nail extraction, while the magnetic nail holder simplifies nail starting. Unior understands the frustration of dealing with stripped screws. We've all experienced the struggle of trying to loosen a stubborn bolt, only to discover the head is completely stripped. That's why we created these screw pliers, to be a reliable ally for every handyman. With horizontal and vertical serrated teeth, these pliers grip the outer diameter of the screw head with exceptional traction, even if the profile is severely damaged. They're the superheroes of the tool world, swooping in to save the day when all seems lost. Plus, they offer great compatibility, working on screw heads ranging from 3 to 11 millimeters in diameter. With these pliers by your side, you can tackle any screw that crosses your path, regardless of size. Despite its appearance, the WOODPECKER C760A is the ultimate tool for fencing and clamping. This industrial pneumatic hog ring gun is user-friendly and ideal for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Crafted for longevity, it features robust, lightweight aluminum alloy housing and durable jaws that withstand daily use without breaking. Designed with your comfort in mind, it boasts a well-balanced weight, a responsive trigger, and an oversized rubber handle for easy gripping. The best part? It harnesses air power to swiftly form staples into buckles, saving you time and effort. With the ability to handle thousands of staples effortlessly, it ensures stress-free operation. Compatible with 16-gauge hog ring staples, this tool is incredibly versatile, catering to the needs of every handyman. This is the Rhino Cable Pulling Probe. It's the ultimate solution for solo cable installations, especially during wiring tasks. This tool is meticulously designed to handle electrical wires, cables, and optical fibers without the need for assistance from colleagues. Featuring a robust case and a range of accessories, it provides the versatility you've always desired. The expandable nozzle facilitates easy cable pulling through narrow wireways or pipes, while its user-friendly operation requires minimal effort. Simply place the Rhino cable puller in the desired location, give it a gentle touch, and let it take care of the rest. With Rhino by your side, cable pulling has never been easier or more efficient. Elevate your plumbing expertise with the Dewalt DCE 700 pipe threader. Say goodbye to the inconvenience of power cords and embrace the efficiency of oil-resistant batteries that provide hours of uninterrupted operation. Whether you're working with black iron pipe or rigid conduit, this tool effortlessly threads pipes ranging from 1/2 to 2 inches in diameter. Its sealed box design protects against cutting oils, while the innovative pipe clamp and depth gauge streamline the setup. Moreover, its intelligent features include motion-sensing technology that automatically shuts down in bind-up situations, saving you valuable time and frustration. Next up, we have the iCrimp wire crimping tool, the ultimate companion for every handyman tackling wire crimping tasks, whether in DIY or professional projects. Engineered for seamless performance, this crimping tool boasts impeccably smooth jaws, meticulously polished to prevent any sharp edges that could compromise heat shrink insulation. Crafted from high-carbon steel and treated with a waterproof surface coating, it guarantees durability that withstands the test of time. What truly distinguishes this tool is its intuitive design. Featuring a built-in ratchet mechanism with a safety release, every crimp is executed with uniformity, accuracy, and reliability. Additionally, its redesigned shorter handle and lighter weight enhance ease of use, making wire crimping a breeze. Portable and convenient, this tool accompanies you wherever your projects take you. Imagine you're in the middle of a tough welding job, sweat dripping down your face as you try to stay focused. But what if you could eliminate this discomfort and distraction? Here is the Jackson Translight Premium Welding Helmet, a tool with comfort and precision. Engineered with a lightweight and ergonomically balanced design, this helmet alleviates stress and fatigue, allowing you to concentrate fully on your welding tasks. Boasting a generous 12.47 square inches of viewing area, It provides unparalleled peripheral vision. With superior coverage and a 1111 optical clarity rating, you'll enjoy maximum visibility and precision in every welding position. Equipped with 4 arc sensors, it ensures optimal coverage even when welding in challenging positions. Stay ahead of the curve. Fed up with the constant hassle of tripping over tangled extension cords? Meet Flexzilla retractable extension cord reels. Available in both 25 and 50-foot lengths, these reels offer you an ample amount of cord to suit your specific needs, whether you're working on a small DIY project or tackling a larger job. Additionally, the lighted triple tap outlet not only enhances safety, but also provides you with plenty of capacity for all your power needs, making you feel like a true rock star in your workshop or garage. But that's not all. It takes convenience to the next level with the inclusion of a swiveling mounting bracket. This innovative feature allows the bracket to pivot in every direction, granting you unparalleled flexibility and comfort as you work in various positions. No more awkward bending or stretching to reach those tricky spots. While its appearance may differ from a traditional hand saw, the ToughBuilt 18-inch PVC saw boasts equal power and ease of use. Its distinctive design and injection-molded ergonomic handle ensure optimal cutting performance with minimal effort required. Equipped with a high-carbon steel blade, this saw effortlessly slices through PVC pipes of varying thicknesses. The electrocoating on the blade reduces friction and drag, further enhancing cutting efficiency. Additionally, the blade features induction-hardened teeth and an integrated ruler, facilitating quick and accurate cuts, as well as hassle-free measurements. With a convenient pencil holder integrated into the handle, essential measuring tools are always within reach. The Little Giant Jumbo Step, a ladder that transforms your climbing experience into a seamless ascent akin to ascending a staircase. Crafted from non-conductive fiberglass, this ladder offers a lightweight alternative to bulky 6-foot ladders. With 3 wide steps, standing comfortably is effortless. Plus, enjoy the convenience of 2 handrail positions and an innovative tool tray, perfect for tackling tough work with ease. The slip-resistant oversized feet provide stability whether you're at home or in commercial settings, and they can be quickly replaced when needed. With all these features, there's no excuse not to keep a jumbo step in your truck bed. For precision that rivals the pros, look no further than the CRAFTSMAN 16-foot Pro 11 tape measure. This 11¼ inch tape measure is your go-to tool for achieving accurate measurements every time. Its wide, durable blade boasts high-contrast measurement markings for easy readability. With a multi-catch hook, you can effortlessly grab materials from the top or bottom. Plus, the side lock allows you to secure the length when you need a break from measuring. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it fits comfortably in your hand, while its tough construction ensures long-lasting durability. Who doesn't strive to complete projects efficiently and within budget? With this goal in mind, Hilti introduces its concrete sensors, providing accurate real-time information about your job site concrete. Monitor concrete strength according to ASTM C1074 standards via a dedicated mobile app, while also tracking changes in temperature. Installation is a breeze, with sensors automatically detecting pour times. These wireless Hilti sensors seamlessly share reports instantly via the free app. And rest assured, they're built to withstand even the toughest concrete mortars, ensuring durability through any rough conditions. It's time to elevate the precision and enjoyment of concrete projects. Get ready to tackle your soldering tasks with ease, whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, thanks to the Snap-on Soldering Iron Kit. These portable butane soldering kits offer a safe and convenient solution for soldering wires, electrical terminals, and heating shrink sleeves. With a quick-release connector, changing tips is a breeze. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a one-touch igniter switch and a magnetic storage stand, ensuring smooth operation both on and off the job. And the best part? Integrated fuel gauge windows on both sides keep you informed about remaining fuel levels. With Snap-on, safety and precision are non-negotiable. Don't toss out your dull knives just yet. Give them a new lease on life with the SHARPAL 3-in-1 Sharpener tool. This versatile tool quickly sharpens knives, axes, hatchets, scissors, machetes, and more, making it a must-have for any toolkit. Crafted from premium abrasive material, the SHARPAL is built to last, ensuring years of reliable use across a variety of applications. With presettable sharpening angles, you can achieve precise and accurate results every time. Plus, its lightweight design minimizes hand fatigue, while the rubber-coated handle provides a comfortable grip even when wearing gloves. Now, you will no longer have to deal with dull blades, and because the SHARPAL 3-in-1 tool is here to make the job effortless. When it's time to remove your vehicle's windscreen held in place by industrial-grade adhesive sealant, the ToolPRO windscreen remover is your go-to solution. This tool effortlessly slips its angled blade underneath the windscreen, allowing you to apply significant force to cut through the heavy-duty seal with ease. If you encounter resistance getting the blade all the way under, simply exert some sideways force on the blade handle for added leverage. Prior to windscreen removal, ensure you use a sturdy prying tool for optimal results. Work methodically and prioritize safety throughout the process for a smooth and secure removal experience. For cutting projects where bulky circular saws are impractical, the ToghBuilt Mini Circular Saw steps in as the perfect solution. Despite its compact design, this saw packs a punch with a powerful copper motor capable of generating up to 3,700 revolutions per minute of no-load speed, effortlessly cutting through tough materials like wood, metal, tile, and aluminum in a single pass. With an easily adjustable depth gauge offering depths between 0 and 27 millimeters, precision cutting is at your fingertips. The optimized ergonomic rubber handle ensures maximum comfort and flexibility even during intense cutting sessions. And for added safety, the double safety button provides an extra layer of protection against accidental startups. With the ToghBuilt Mini Circular Saw, tackle your cutting tasks with confidence and ease. Makita UR012G, a tool for lawn care enthusiasts and garden maintainers alike. This powerhouse handles heavy-duty applications with the power equivalent to a 40cc class engine grass trimmer, minus the hassle of gas, fumes, or emissions, thanks to its Makita XGT battery operation. With a variable speed trigger, you can easily adjust power levels while shifting from task to task. Choose from 3 modes for added versatility. Safety and precision are paramount with features like an electronic current limiter for overload protection and an electric brake for emergency pauses. Plus, enjoy a soft starting mechanism, offset bike handle, and reverse switch for unparalleled convenience and comfort during use. With the Makita UR012G, lawn care and garden maintenance just got a whole lot easier. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.